Hi, I'm Meredith McGrath, the registered dietitian at Redner's Markets, and I'm excited to partner with the Medical Society of Delaware to take you on a tour of our grocery aisles. As you continue to walk through the store, you're going to come across many protein sources, and this includes animal and plant proteins. Plant-based proteins are excellent for both your heart and your blood sugar.
Try to limit red and processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats. Choosing leaner, less processed meat cuts should be chosen over red meat.
Of course, some red meats can be incorporated into your diet, but the lean meats are always preferable. Variety in serving size for animal proteins is important. Lean chicken, turkey, pork, and seafood are all great within a 3 to 5 ounce serving size.
Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, is a great choice for heart-healthy omega-3s twice a week. Consider your cooking methods and make smart choice cuts. Also try buying plain fresh options. You can be in control of the amount of sodium and then add flavor with your favorite herbs and spices. Lean beef is also an excellent choice filled with B vitamins, iron, and zinc. Look for the words loin, round, or lean ground beef. Purchasing lean meats in bulk and freezing them in reasonable portion sizes is a great way to save money. Tofu is a great protein source that can be used for stir-fry, tacos, eggs, or to substitute for other meat dishes.
Before we wrap up, here's a quick checklist.
Serving size first. Total carbs and added sugars, keep them low. Sodium, aim under 2,300 milligrams daily. Fiber, 3 grams or more per serving. Saturated fat, less than 10% of daily calories.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together. And although we didn't go through all 50,000 items, I hope this tour helped. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about making small, sustainable changes. Every cart you fill is a chance to nourish yourself and your family.